Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. This time we have Mega Latias EX box that will provide one more promotion card to my collection. This one is a small one and it will provide only 4 booster packs, but hopefully it will deliver a couple of hits. We're starting off the journey together, pun intended. Journey Together has not treated me too nicely. I think I've found only one illustration rare, so no big hits there. Hopefully we can change that now. Nope, not this time. Moving on to Destined Rivals. The Mewtwo chase card would be so OP, but I've had okay hits before. My favorite hit so far is Misty Lapras that I got couple months ago. Illustration Rare Rapidash. Oh yeah, this has sort of painting-like vibes in it. Next up are the 2 Mega Evolutions packs. I'm still dreaming of those golden cards, but not complaining since I got that big hit earlier. Okay, some EX action here. Sleeve it up and on to the next one. Maybe we'll get some last pack magic here. Another EX card, not a total miss. This was a quite quick one, but better keep it simple and sweet. Overall, okay box. Main chase for me was just the promo, so I got that. Rapidash hit turns this into decent haul. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you want to stay tuned, consider subscribing. See you on the next one, and thanks for watching.